Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you guys a quick garden update. What I have been doing after I got Master Blend fertilizer. So basically, I've been experimenting with two two fertilizers, two type of fertilizer. One I made from scratch, from different components, and the other is Master Blend. So in the right we have these two lettuce heads, or my fertilizer that I made, and on the left we have the Master Blend. The ones on the right are doing better. I think the fertilizer I made is probably I custom made is probably is better adapted either to the my water EC or to my water pH. So I really don't know, but I've got they're both growing very well, I think. I have some basil growing too over here. Some basil and some onions. I planted them on the same cup. Some parsley, some cilantro. I've got a tomato. It's a small tomato variety. It really grows in the mountains. It just grows everywhere in my country, but people don't give it much importance because the fruits are very small. They're very sweet, and my grandmother used to cook exclusively almost with these tomatoes. Some tricolors. As you can see, the tomatoes are flowering. I don't know if you can see. I probably can see. But the tomatoes are flowering. Over there, you can see a flower. I have some strawberries as well, growing in hydroponics. So the plants that are growing the fastest right now, I have some cucumbers and some melons. The cucumbers are slightly bigger than the melons, and they have massive leaves too. Look at the size of these leaves. They look beautiful. And the amazing part about growing in hydroponics is just the growth. It's phenomenal. The difference between one day and the other. The difference in growth is just very rewarding. Over here we have some tomatoes. The tomatoes are not doing that well. Maybe I think the EC is too high for the size of tomatoes. I'm using the same. I have to get some instruments to measure, but I'm using the same nutrient recipe for the tomatoes and the cucumbers. The cucumbers are doing amazing, and the tomatoes are kind of slowly growing. But I think it's the difference in plants really. I got a Swiss chard over here, some tatsoi, mostly chard. This is the nursery where I got some lettuce growing. You can see this. More lettuce. I transplanted these 2 days ago, but they're growing well. Over here, lettuce and some tatsoi. And over here, I have some onions. I didn't expect onions to. This was just an experiment. I didn't expect it to grow like this, but it's growing well. More cucumbers. Some peppers. And more cucumbers over there. So basically this is what I have growing in my garden, and I will be making more updates just so I can kind of know how much things are growing, because I don't really like to be writing things. I don't have time for it really. So So this is it for today. I have you have a good day.